All right, a lot of folks are asking about the particular reels, what's on them, and numbers and that sort of thing. So we're going to go one by one. So pay close attention on this video. So this stack that I'm going to be showing you is, or this row, is all from the 40s and 50s. That'll be an interesting one. Amish country. That'll be an interesting one. Movie stars, Hollywood. These are also from the 50s. Used to be several from Wyoming. 3 of those. Equality State. Yosemite National Park. Those would be interesting also from the 50s, I believe. Yep, they're in the blue sleeves, so those are the 50s. 40s and 50s. These 1954. That's the Yosemite one. Looks to be the Pendleton Roundup. These are, that's 1970, so these are 60s and 70s. Some movies. Beetlejuice, that belongs over here with this one. What do you see? Knight Rider, London Bridge. '67, 1960. Oh, there's a 57. Seattle World's Fair, I think that was in '62. That's what these are. Wonders of the World. Wonders of the World. American Indian. There's a couple more somewhere else for American Indian. Okay. Beetlejuice. Bedknobs and broomsticks. There's the other Beetlejuice. Daniel Boone. 2, 3. Mary Poppins. What year is that? 60. Looks like 64. Snow White from 19. I can't tell you. It's either 60 or 80. Yeah, I can't tell you. Probably 1980 based on how nice these look. Charlie Brown's Summer Fun. That was in 1972. Hazards of Flying a Kite for Charlie Brown. And then last but not least, we have these, which are blue sleeves. That's probably 1947. The Bible Story, Prodigal Son. These all seem to be in the 40s. '47, The Birth, Angel Gabriel. I know. Plus a bunch of sleeves. Just a bunch of extra sleeves and advertisement. There's the Bedknobs and Broomsticks. Packing list. 3D reel for something. I don't know. Lots of odd stuff there. We'll throw that in there. Oh, I don't think I told him to do this one yet. All right. Now you have to look at the rest of the pictures for everything else. Thank you. Have a good day.